Hey marketing monsters, today I'm going to share with you one of our simplest yet most powerful campaign types. You've seen it everywhere. The top brands know just how important it is to grab leads the second that you land on their website. They put it on their footer, on their homepage, everywhere on their site to make sure that they're capturing this anonymous visitor and turning it into a lead that they could reach at any time via email. With PerkZilla, you can launch the same kind of irresistible offer today. So simply sign in, choose a welcome campaign, design your pages in the editor, the headline, the opt-in, the thank you message, and you're all set. Pick the reward. It could be 15% off. It could be a guide, a PDF, just something worth signing up for, and click publish, and that's it. You can paste the embed code on your website anywhere you want, or you can share the hosted link and it's automatically already live for you. In minutes, you're running the exact same playbook that the pros use to turn anonymous visitors to subscribers, fans, and buyers automatically. So get started today. We're happy to help however we can, and we look forward to growing together.